Solving literal equations. So a literal equation is the equation that contains more than one variable. An example of a literal equation would be our first example, ax is equal to c, where the equation has more than just one variable, but you're asked to solve for a specific variable. It can either be a, it can be x that we're being asked to solve for. Now, formulas that we come across, those are literal equations because it contains more than one variable. So solving a literal equation is just like solving a linear equation. It's just that we need to, um, we're going to follow the same procedure, the same steps. So solving for a variable is just like solving for an equation with one unknown. When solving for a variable, treat all the other variables as constants. For example, here we have ax is equal to c, and we're asked to solve for x. Okay, so it says treat a as a constant, c as a constant. So we're saying constants, we're saying treat it as if it were a number. For example, if you had something such as 5x is equal to 17. Well, when we solve for x, well, we have to divide by 5 to both sides. And we have x is equal to 17 over 5. Well, since we're treating the other variables as constants, well, we're going to do the same thing here. We're asked to solve for x. X is not what we're going to move. What we're going to move here is the a. How do we do that? We're going to divide a to both sides. And we have a solution of x is equal to c all over a. Let's do another one. We have here x plus d is equal to e. We're being asked to solve for x. So therefore, for x, we're not going to move. What we're going to move will be the d. How we move it, because this is a positive d, to move it over, we're going to subtract d to both sides. And we have x is equal to e minus d. Okay, let's do one more on this page here since we have some room. C, we have pi, the symbol pi times x is equal to 7 times pi. And we're solving for x. So what we will have to do is to divide pi to both sides. And we divide pi on the left side, we have x. Well, what happens on the right hand side? We're going to end up with 7. So that is our solution. X is equal to 7.